ft dash into d dash. What is ft dash square? Ft dash into d dash. Now this is ft dash whole square. This ft dash square means ft dash into d dash. 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 1. Come back to this number. 2 into 0, this is gone. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So this both should be one and the same. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a temple of excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hang Business Statistics 1, Session 1, B.B.A. 5th semester in favor of Model Question Paper, March-April 2021. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about 15 marks question, only practical side. So they will ask about section A, 15 marks question 4, 1 theory, 3 problems. Generally, the problems are mean, median and mode. Next, table correlation. Next, coefficient of variation or skewness. Today, we are going to discuss about this practical problem. We move on to problem now. Part A. So you have to answer any 2 questions out of 4, each carrying 15 marks. Section B, they will ask 5 questions. You have to answer any 3. 10 into 3, 30 marks. Section C, they will ask 6 questions. You have to answer any 4. 4 into 5, 20 marks, totally 80 marks coverage. We'll move on to problem now. So first is the theory. What do you mean by statistic? Explain its advantages and disadvantages. Only theory question. Then we'll move on to problem now. Calculate mean, median and mode from the following data. So it's a continuous series, we say. 0 is called lower limit, 10 is called upper limit, we say. See that the upper limit of the first group become the lower limit of the second group. We move on to problem now. Class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. So we'll move on to frequency. 20, 45, 85. Frequency 20, 45, 85, 160, then 70, 55, 35, 55, 35, 30. This is a problem. They will give an examination problem like this. So 0 is called lower limit, L1 we say. 10 is called L2 upper limit. The upper limit of the first group become the lower limit for the second group. So the first step is we'll add the frequency. First we'll add the frequency. So this is 20 plus 45 plus 85 plus 160 plus 70 plus 55 plus 35 plus 30 is equal to 500. N is equal to 500. N is equal to 500. Then mid value. Mid value means L1 plus L2 divided by 2. This is 10 divided by 2 is 5. 20 plus 10 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. 25, 10, 10 more, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. So how to do now? L1 plus L2 divided by 2, that is 5. So 70 plus 80 is 150, divided by 2 is 75. Then D dash, you take the first number, mid value as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then FT dash, So 20 into 0, f into d dash, 20 into 0 is 0. 45 into 1, f into d dash, 45 into 1, 45. 85 into 2, 170. 160 into 3, 480. 70 into 4, 280. 55 into 5, 275. 35 into 6, 210. 30, 210. Add the figure. This is 45 plus 170 plus 480 plus 280 plus 275 plus 210 plus 210. 1670. Summation sigma f t dash is 1670. Then CF cumulative frequency. What is the first frequency? 20. Add 45, 65. For 65, add 85, 150. For 150, add 160. 160 to 1, 310. Add 70, 380. Add 55, 380 plus 55, 380 plus 55, 435. 435 plus 35, 470. Add 3500. This should be equal. They want mean, they want median, they want mode. We'll go mean. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. What is your assumed mid value? 5. What is sigma ft dash? 1670. What is number of frequency? 500. Into, what is your class interval? 0 to 10 means 10. Simplify this. 5 plus 1670 into 10 divided by 500, 33.4, 33.4, add 38.4. This is your mean. I understand. Assumed is what? Your assumed is d dash mid value A. A plus or minus sigma f t dash divided by n into c. Then we'll go to median is equal to n by 2. 500 divided by 2 is equal to 250. Find 250 in CF. Find 250 in CF. Cumulative frequency. It will come under 310. This is your CF. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. Apply. What is your L1? 30. What is n by 2? 250. Behind number 150 divided by constant frequency 160 into class interval is 10. So this is 30. 250 minus 150 is 100 divided by 160 into 10 is equal to 30. This is 1000 divided by 160. This is 30 plus 1000 divided by 160. 1000 divided by 160, 6.25. This is 36.25. 36.25. Then mode lies in highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency here? So 160 is the highest frequency. This is your F1. This is your F0. Next is F2. Apply the formula. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. Regular formula. What's your L1? 30 plus what's your highest frequency? 160, then 85 divided by 2 into 160 minus 85, then minus 70 into class interval is 10. Simplify 30, 160 minus 85, 160 minus 85, 75, 75. So this is 320 minus 85 plus 70 minus 155 into 10. Simplify 30 plus 75 into 10, 750, 320 minus 155, 165. This is 30, 750 divided by 165, 4.5. This is 34.54. This is the mode. So your mean, median, conclusion or summary, mean, median, mode, 38.4. What's your median? 36.25. What's your mode? 34.54. So this is the way you have to write in the examination point of view. We'll go to next problem. So using coefficient of variation, find which series is more consistent, he's asking. So what is coefficient of variation means? Standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Mean we already calculated. What is standard deviation per continuous state? Standard deviation is root of sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into c. C outside the root. What is the formula? Root of sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into c. We'll go one by one. Series A. CV, coefficient of variation, is equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Class 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Your frequency 5914, 5914, 1264. So there is a variation. See that 5914 increase suddenly fall down to 2. It is called variation. If there is an increase, it is called ascending order. It is called cumulative frequency. So we'll add the figure. 5 plus 9, 14, 28, 30. 5, 9, 14, 28, 30, 36, 40, 50. N is equal to 50. So mid value 0 to 20 divided by 2 is 10. 20 to 40, 60 divided by 2 is 30. 100, 50, 20 difference, 70, 90, 110. Then D dash. First number as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. FT dash. Frequency to D dash. 5 into 0 is 0. 9 ones are 9. 14 twos are 28. 12 threes are 36. 6 fours are 24. 4 fives are 20. Add the figure. This is 9 plus 28 plus 36 plus 24 plus 20. 117. Sigma ft dash 117. Then ft dash square. What is ft dash square means? Ft dash into d dash. What is ft dash square? Ft dash into d dash. Now this is ft dash whole square. This ft dash square means ft dash into d dash. Ft dash into d dash. This one. 0 into 0, 0. 9 ones are 9. 28 into 2, 56. 36 into 3, 108. 24 into 4, 96. 20 into 5, 100. This one, 0 into 0, 1 nines are 9. 2 into 28, 56. This one, 4 into 24 is 94. 5 into 200 is 100. Add the figure. This is 9 plus 56 plus 108 plus 96 plus 100. 369. This is sigma ft dash square. So what we require? One is the standard deviation, one is the mean into 100. We'll go with the mean. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash will be n into c. What is assumed here? This is your assumption. 10. What is ft dash? 117 divided by 50 into class interval is 20. So we'll go with 10. 117 into 20. 117 into 20 divided by 50. 46.8. 46.8. Say 56.8. 56.8 is the mean. Then we go with the standard deviation. So standard deviation A is called root of sigma ft dash square divided by n minus summation sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into c. Slowly we can go. Root of, what is ft dash square? 369. Number of frequency 50 minus, what is sigma ft dash? 117 divided by 50 whole square into 10. Class interval is 20 into 20. So 369 divided by 50 minus 11750 whole square is equal to root of 369 divided by 50. 369 divided by 50, 7.38 minus 117 divided by 50, 2.34 whole square into 20. This is root of 7.38 minus 2.34 into 2.34, 5.4756 into 20. deduct root of 7.38 minus 5.4756 1.9044 into 20 root of this 1.38 into 20 27.6. This is given me 27.6. Then CV of series A is equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. What is standard deviation? 27.6 divided by 56.8 into 100. This is 27.6 divided by 56.8 into 100, 48.59%. This goes in favor of A. Now, we can move on to series B. We have done the series A. Now, we'll move on to series B. So, class, same thing, 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. So 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Frequency, we can go with the frequency now. 8, 12, 16. Frequency 8, 12, 16, 14, 7, 3. 14, 7, 3. This is a given problem. So same time, we have to calculate the mean, we have to calculate the standard deviation and find out the result. Who is more consistent? 12 plus 8, 20, 36, 40, 57, 3, 60. N is equal to 60. Mid value, 0 plus 20 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. Then 20 plus 40 is 60, divided by 2 is 30. Another 20, 50, 70, 90, 110. Same steps you have to follow. Then D dash 10, 0. This is assumed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then same type. What is next we want? FT dash. Frequency to 8 into 0, 0. 12 ones are 12. 16 twos are 32. 14 threes are 42. 7 fours are 28. 5 threes are 15. And this is 2. This is 12 plus 32 plus 42 plus 28 plus 15. 129. Summation 129. So then FT dash square. FT dash square is nothing but FT dash into D dash. FT dash into D dash. 0 into 0 is 0. 12 ones are 12. Then 2 into 32 is 64. 42 into 3, 126. 28 into 4, 112. 15 into 5, 75. Add, this is 12 plus 64 plus 126 plus 112 plus 75, 389. Sigma FT dash square. So 389. So what we have to calculate? One mean, one standard deviation. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma FT dash divided by N into C. What is assumed here? 10. Mid value, this is your assumption. 10. What is your FT dash? 129. Number of frequency 60 into class. This is class interval is 20. This is 10. So 129 into 20. 129 into 20. 2580 divided by 60. 43. 10 plus 43 is equal to 53. Then we move on to standard deviation. Root of sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into c. Root of, what is sigma ft dash square? 389. Number of frequency 60 minus, what is sigma ft dash? 129 divided by 60 whole square into 20. This is root of 389 divided by 60, 6.48 minus 129 divided by 60, 2.15 whole square into 20. 6.48, 2.15 into 2.15, 4.6225 into 20. Root of 6.48 minus 4.6225, 1.8575 into 20. Root of this 1.3629 into 20 into 20, 27.25. Your standard deviation is 27.25. Then CV of B, standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Standard deviation divided by mean into 100. 27.25. Your mean is 53 into 100. 27.25 into 100 divided by 53. 27.25 into 100 divided by 53. 51.415. 51.441 percentage. What is CV of A? CV of A is 48.9. Conclusion. CV of A, CV of A 48.59, CV of B 51.41 percentage. So CV of A is less than CV of B. Therefore, A is more consistent. CV of A is less than CV of B. CV of A is less than CV of B. So therefore, A is more consistent. Which CV is less? That is a more consistent. Which average is more? It's a better company. Hope you understand this. We'll move on to table correlation. So from the following bivalent table, find the Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation between X and Y. This is the Y series, this is the X series are there. This is a common frequency we have got. Okay, I will explain this. So this is your class interval 20, 30, Y series 20, 30, 40, 50. The mid value is R. These are all the mid values. 25, 35, 45, 55. This is the nothing but deviation of Y. This is the deviation of Y. Assume 25 as 0, 1, 2, 3. Come back to Y series are considered. This is X series are considered. Mid value 25, 35, 45, 55. Assumed here 0. First number as 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, this is the common frequency for both. This is for Y series, this is for X series. If X is given, this is for X series, this is for Y series. This Y is given, this is for Y series. What is the first step to do? Add the frequency. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. Then add 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. Then add the frequency. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8. Add 1 plus 2, 12 plus 5. Add the frequency, 25. N is equal to 25. So add the frequency like this. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. 8. 2 plus 4, 6. 8, 10. Add 4, 6. So 16, 23. So both what's called column wise and row wise should be one and the same. So the number of frequency becomes 25 now. First step. So add the frequency, row wise and column wise both become 25. What is next? If this is a deviation. So 5 into 0, this is your deviation of Y. Deviation of X is there. This is the deviation of, this is F dy. This is F dy, F dy square, F dx dy, F dy square, deviation of Y. So 5 into 0, 0. 7 ones are 7. 8 twos are 16. 5 threes are 15. I will repeat. This is the deviation of Y. This is 5 into 0 is 0. 7 ones are 7. 8 twos are 16. 5 threes are 15. F dy square means once again. So F dy into dy, 0 into 0 is 0. 7 into 1 is 7. 16 into 2 is 32. Same number you have to multiply. 15 into 3 is 45. I will repeat. 5 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. Once again. 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are 32. Here. 5 threes are 15. 15 threes are 45. Same thing you have to come for f dx. No, this is for deviation of x. 3 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 10 twos are 20. 22s are 40. Same number you have to repeat. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 10 twos are 20. 22s are 40. 6 threes are 18. What is next step? 18 into 3, 54. This is a method you have to follow. Same number you have to make it. Now, we'll add the number. What is f dy? N is, this is 7. 7 plus 16 plus 15. 38. This is your 38, f dy. Then f dy square, 84. Then come back here, add this f dx. So 26, 38, 44. Add this 54, 40. This is 94, 6 is 100. 54 plus 40. plus 6. This is 100. If you understand these steps, I will repeat. Same number you have to follow. This is dy, this is dx. This is f dy square, f dx dy. So 5 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 7 ones are 7. Once again, 7 ones are 7. 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are 32. Same thing. 5 threes are 15. 15 threes are 45. Here also same. 3 into 0, 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 10 into 2s are 20. 20 into 2s are 40. 6 into 3s are 18. 18 into 3s is 54. Now, the last step is most important here. You take this as dy, this as a d. So, last step is frequency into dx dy. This is your dy, this is called dx, this is your frequency. You go one by one. First step, 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Then come back to 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. I'll repeat. 1 into 1 is 1. Nothing is there. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into 1. Come back to this number. 2 into 0. This is gone. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 2 threes are 6. 6 twos are 12. The last number is 3 into 0. This is your 0. 3 ones are 3. 1 threes are 3 ones are 3. 1 threes are 3. 3 twos are 6. 6 threes are 18. 3 threes are 9. 9 twos are 18. Now, whatever number in the called box is there, that should be added. What is the first box number? 0. What is second box number? Roughly you can say that 8 plus 3, 11. Second box number, 8 plus 3, 11. Third box number, 18, 8, 26, 6, 32. Then last third box, 18, 20, 20, 30, 33. 33. Then add the number. This is 11 plus 32 plus 33. 11 plus 32 plus 33. 76. Then come back here, column wise, 0. Box, you see that 6 plus 3, 9. So 12 plus 8, 20 plus 8, 28. This is 18, 18, 36 plus 3, 39. Okay. Now, add the number. This is 39 plus 28 plus 9. 76. So, both the numbers should be one and the same. It will tallying for 76. If that's not tally, it becomes wrong for you. This is 76. This we have to construct. Construction I have done, slowly I have done that. Be careful about this construction. Now we'll apply the correlation formula. Correlation R is equal to sigma f dx dy minus sigma f dx into sigma f dy divided by n divided by root of sigma f dx square minus sigma f dx whole square divided by n into sigma f dy square minus sigma f dy whole square divided by n. Careful formula. Sigma f dx dy minus sigma f dx into f dy divided by n whole divided by root of sigma f dx square minus sigma f dx whole square divided by n into sigma f dy square minus sigma f dy whole square divided by n. Square only for the numerator. We'll apply. What is f dx dy? 76 minus. What is sigma f dx? This is f dy. What is sigma f dx is 44 into. What is f dy? 38. Number of frequency 25. Whole divided by root of f dx square. Your f dx square is 100 minus your f dx is 44. F dx is 44 whole square divided by 25 into what is your f dy square? 84 minus 38 whole square divided by 25. So it is 76 minus 44 into 38 divided by 25. 66.88 divided by root of 100 minus 44 into 44 divided by 25. 77.44 into 84 minus 38 into 38 divided by 25. 57.76. So next step, this is 76 minus 66.88 1 root of 100 minus 77.44 22.56 into 84 minus 57.76 26.24 26.24. This is 9.12 root of 26.24 into 22.56 is equal to 591. Root of this 591.9744. 9.12 divided by root of this 24.33. So R is equal to 9.12 divided by 24.33, 0.375. 0.375. Probable error. If they ask probable error is equal to 0.6745. This is a constant number minus 1 minus r square divided by root n. This is a constant formula. You remember 0.6745 into 1 minus r square divided by root n. This is equal to 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.375 whole square root of number of frequency is 25. So 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.375 into 0.375 0.1406 divided by 5. 0.6745 minus this 1 minus 0.1406. 0.8594 divided by 5. 0.6745 into 0.8594 divided by 5. 0.1788 into 0.6745. 0.11. This is the way. Probable error is equal to 0.6745 into 1 minus r square divided by root n. 0.6745. What's your r? 0.3. It should be less than 1. 0.6745 into 1 minus r square divided by root n. That is root of 25. 1.37, 0.1406, 0.375, 0.375 into 0.375, 0.375 into 0.375, 0.140625 divided by 5. 1 minus means 0.8594 divided by 5. So 0.1788 into 0.6745, 0.119. So this is the way you have to do it. So I solve the problem. One on mean, median and mode. Second problem goes coefficient of variation. Slowly have done. Third, regarding the table correlation, I will explain once again. Slowly, you have to construct the first number as 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is a very thing you have to do. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Then here 6 into 1 is 6. 6 ones are 6. Here 10 twos are 20. 20 twos are 40. Same number. 6 threes are 18. 18 threes are 54. Repeat the same. Here also see that 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are 32. So this both should be one and the same. So this formula you have a correlation R is equal to sigma f dx dy minus sigma f dx into f dy divided by n divided by root of whole divided by root of sigma f dx square minus sigma f dx whole square divided by n. Only for numerator you have got a square into f dy square minus f dy square whole square divided by n. Apply the number. The answer is 0.375 or should be less than 1. If they ask in examination probable error, in the last they have not asked, which I have done it. So what is probable error? 0.6745 into 1 minus r squared. I will repeat this number. Hope I have gone detailedly. The entire, I did the mean, I did the median, I did the mode, coefficient of variation and table correlation. 15 marks question I have covered. In the next session, we'll move on to 10 marks question of 2000 last year exam question paper. Will help you in solving the problem. Hope you understand that. Best of luck. Once again, you go through the problem. If you have got a mistake, if you feel that you are not understand, you can ask me a question or make the comment of about these questions. I will get the answer for that. Hope you understand that. So we solve the problem, mean, median, and mode. Then you have coefficient of variation, then table correlation I have done. Thank you. Thank you once again. So we'll meet in the next session with 10 marks question.